This is a satellite image of the Yellow River. Over the past 10 years, this green line, representing the ecological zone of the Yellow River, expanded by about 150 kilometers at its widest point. Looking from above, it's hard to miss the huge circles. Those are organic grasslands in the middle of the Ulaanbaatar Desert. Various measures have been adopted to protect the grasslands and improve the ecological environment. Sand barriers were erected first to fix the drifting sand, and shrubs, trees, and grass suitable for the desert were planted. These plants not only help anchor sand, but also bring economic benefits to the farmers.
Now there are more than 650 hectares of grasslands. More grass means a more promising life.
The grasslands have helped reduce water loss and soil erosion in the Yellow River Basin. In the past decade, the basin has treated 26,800 square kilometers of soil erosion. That's equivalent to the area of 4 Shanghais. Progress has also been made in the ecological protection and restoration of the Yangtze River Basin. Once home to tens of thousands of chemical enterprises, the Yangtze River was plagued by chemical pollution. In 2012, there were more than 20,000 chemical firms located within 3 kilometers of the river. Many of the companies have since shut down, transformed, or relocated, with the total number dropping by more than 25% over the past decade.
Now that the chemical factories have been shut down, the air quality is much better than before. You can see a lot of animals. Now it's like a natural oxygen bar here.
More sewage treatment plants have also been built along the river. Today, the proportion of water with relatively good quality exceeds 97%. Due to a cleaner environment, many species of fish have returned to the river. Researchers have made major discoveries in the Yangtze over the past decade. The knife sturgeon, Yangtze river sturgeon, and cochineal fish have been found in many parts of the main stream.